Welcome to Kolkata Interior. Looking for the perfect main door design to enhance the entrance of your home? In this video, we will show the latest door design created by our manufacturers in Kolkata Rajarhat Green Height apartment. This main door design is perfect for apartments, bungalows, and commercial spaces. Kolkata Interior is the best and most affordable door manufacturer in Kolkata, West Bengal. The main door is the first impression of your home, symbolizing security and style. A well-designed door adds curb appeal and increases property value. But it's not just about looks. Choosing the right material and manufacturer is crucial for long-lasting durability. Need help finding the perfect door for your home? Contact us for personalized recommendations from expert designers and fabricators. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kolkata Interior for more home interior design ideas and updates. See you in the next video.